Hello everybody, thanks for watching the video today. Today we have a laptop on the bench, a Lenovo IdeaPad. It has a broken hinge, so I've seen it so many times where the manufacturers are tightening the hinges too much and then eventually the hinge just gives up. The plastic of the bottom cover or the plastic of the top screen side just gives up and the plastic breaks, the screws come out, and then you're pretty much stuck. This one was quite bad because the hinge was actually extremely dirty, and that also most probably added some fuel to the fire because the hinge was completely seized. It was stuck. Couldn't get it loose at all, and it took a lot of work and persuasion to actually get it out. So this is the start of the video. I'm just quickly stripping open the laptop, so I'm speeding it up, so I'll be right back with you. Bye. So here I finally come to a little bit of an end. Got really fine pliers just to loosen the hinge up a bit. I put some Q20 lubricant on the hinge itself, and also there's a part that I forgot to, that I didn't know the recording wasn't actually going, where I heated the hinge up a little bit, put some oil, heat the hinge up, put some oil, heat the hinge up, so it's quite dirty at the back there. I'm gonna clean it eventually, but yeah, here we go. Now we can actually start the repair. So the top left and top right, those two were completely broken off, so here I'm just starting to put some super glue just to keep it in place for now, just to make sure that it's stuck there and it stays there. I will eventually, basically I'm doing it in two phases. First I'm just getting them in place so that they stay where they're supposed to stay. That is step one. And the middle one that's not broken, I did put a little bit of glue there just for safe measure as well. And yeah, so now we're just going to wait for the glue to set a little bit. Alright, now you'll see I'm just going to clean up the area there to make it nice and clean so that the glue can also properly set the next stage of the glue that we're going to start with. Now. I didn't have glue, super glue that has, usually the super glue comes with that grayish powder that you can build the thing back with. Didn't have that, but a good substitute for that actually, bicarbonate soda. So you'll see in the next little bit, I'm gonna use my screwdriver, just drop a little bit of bicarb in there where the glue is, and then I'll put another layer of glue on top of that. This is basically the second part of getting this thing glued into place. Back in place. Now we can continue. So the laptop was quite dirty on the inside, so I decided to just clean it up a little bit for the client. In the next part of the video, you're very welcome to skip to the back where the end result of the hinge is. In this part, I'm just basically putting in some work, getting the dust out of this laptop, cleaning out the fan, and getting it put back together again. So thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. A touch of extra glue just to be safe. I really appreciate you watching. Please leave a like, leave a comment if you have some tips or you need some tips on your next project. I really appreciate all the likes and comments, and please subscribe.